color, orange color, yellow color, green color.
Hello, little artists! Today we're going to learn some amazing shapes. Let's trace each one carefully and then color it with our favorite bright colors. Are you ready? Let's start. Pentagon. A pentagon has 5 straight sides and 5 corners. Trace the pentagon slowly and carefully. Then color it with your favorite bright colors. Star. A star has 5 beautiful points. Trace each point carefully, then color the star with bright and shiny colors. Arrow. An arrow has a pointed tip and a straight shape. Trace it neatly from start to finish, then color it with any color you like. Heart. A heart has 2 round curves at the top and a point at the bottom. Trace it gently, then fill it with your favorite colors. Cube. A cube is a 3D shape with 6 equal square faces. Trace all the lines carefully, then color it beautifully. Cylinder. A cylinder has 2 round ends and 1 curved side. Trace it slowly and neatly, then color it with bright colors. Amazing work! You traced all the shapes so nicely and colored them beautifully. Keep practicing every day to become a great little artist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next fun learning video. Bye-bye!